Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your email on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, whether you switched emails or just want to update your account, this process is pretty straightforward. First, open the Indeed app or website and log into your account. You need access to your current account before you can change your email. Next, click on your profile icon and go to a Settings. This is where all your personal details are managed. Now find the email section inside your account settings. Yeah, this is where your current email address is listed. Next, click Edit or Change Email and enter your new email address. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid login issues later. After that, Indeed will send a verification email to your new address. So open your inbox and click the confirmation link. Once verified, your email will be updated on your account automatically. Yeah, this ensures your account stays secure and active. Now you can log in using your new email address going forward. Make sure you remember it for future access. And that's how to change your email on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this guide helped you update your account easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.